everyone, welcome back to Shauna's Cooktorials. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for viewing in. As you see in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make my special deviled eggs. This is a specialty around the holidays in my family, and sometimes I just make them for snacks. I do something a little bit differently than those other recipes that you might see as far as the one particular ingredient that I like to use. So stay tuned, and I do boil my eggs in an Instant Pot. If you're interested in seeing how they turn out, well, you know what to do. Enjoy. Subscribe to see more. Like and share. Bye. All right, for those that are still tuned in, this is basically it. And you want to make sure you blend your filling quite well. You don't want it to be too lumpy because it's not that appetizing when you bite into a big piece of egg yolk that doesn't have any flavor on it or anything. So I hope you guys enjoy. Just let me know what you think if you decide to try this for your holiday meal or even if you're doing a birthday party. They always go so fast. I can never make enough of these. It's like a rave in my family. And I do top it off with some of that good red stuff. So if you want to see what kind I use, go ahead and stay tuned to the very end. And as I stated, if you want to see more of Shauna's Cooktorials, pop that subscribe button, hit the like button, and just show me some love on the channel so I can keep going. Just keep me motivated and watch. I know people are watching. Once again, thank you and stay tuned for the next upload because I will have quite a bit coming up. See you later. Bye.